começou.
Hi, Nicole. Ni hao ma. So, we are here to show you one of the different ways to make a caipirinha.
Você não tá aparecendo.
This is the way I like it. Go a little further. Vai pouquinho mais pra lá. Yeah, that's it. This is the way I like it. This is the way they do it at the beach. When you go there, and the difference that this way is one caipirinha at a time, you know, for one person. So, what we are going to need? We're going to need one lime, this kind of lime, okay? And we slice it. One lime like this is enough for one caipirinha. We slice it in 8 pieces, okay? We need sugar, we need ice, of course, we need a strong glass so that you can squeeze without breaking the glass. We're gonna need cachaça, or you can make it also with vodka, okay? I'm gonna make it with cachaça, and the amount of cachaça, something like this, okay? Well, then what we do? We take all the lime, we put into the glass, and then we put sugar. Sugar depends on the taste of the person.
Eles gostam
For me,
disso.
2 sugar spoons are okay. You can add more or less. And then you can already put some of the cachaça, not all of it. And then sugar. Sugar is already there. You squeeze it. You squeeze it as much as you can.
Tá ficando louco.
It's a real-time caipirinha. I think it's enough. Okay? Well, then we put it into the shaker, and then we put ice, about this of ice. Okay? The ice is good not to be in big rocks. Okay? Small rocks break sometime. And then the remain of the cachaça. Shake it. And that's it. No more than this. You put here. Important is to have all the lime in it, okay? And then you give something to the people to
3 minutos.
to mix it. And that's it. Cheers. Have a good time in China. All the best to you. Ciao.